Welcome back to the Daily Bitcoin 5. 5 stories every day that matter to Bitcoin. Today on the Bitcoin 5, first post-quantum Bitcoin transaction mined, no fork required. Let's go. Before the stories, the Bitcoin price check. Current price, about $79,400 Bitcoin is up 22.7% over the past 4 weeks, climbing from about $64,700 to break above $79,000 in what marks its strongest monthly performance in recent memory. The 4-year view tells an even more compelling story. BTC has gained nearly 292% since August 2022, when it traded at just over $20,000. Story 5 strategy holds one of every 25 Bitcoin that will ever exist. Whilst this milestone has been reached several months ago, with Michael Saylor's strategy now controlling 840,447 Bitcoin, representing 4% of the total 21 million supply cap strategy, are reminding the market that the company holds one of every 25 Bitcoin that will ever exist, cementing its position as the world's largest corporate Bitcoin treasury. Strategy's average purchase price sits at roughly $75,400, meaning the company is now solidly in profit, as Bitcoin trades above $79,000. Story 4. Coinbase to launch. Bitcoin collateralized home loans. Coinbase is rolling out a program that will allow its 75 million users to buy homes using Bitcoin as collateral, keeping their Bitcoin holdings intact while accessing real estate capital. The product represents a major expansion of Bitcoin-backed lending into mainstream consumer finance. The concept is straightforward. Instead of selling Bitcoin to generate a down payment or purchase price, users can borrow against their holdings and maintain upside exposure. If Bitcoin appreciates, borrowers benefit from both home equity and Bitcoin price appreciation simultaneously. Story 3. Fidelity buys over $400 million in Bitcoin. The buy represents one of the largest single institutional purchases in recent weeks and underscores how aggressively traditional Wall Street firms are accumulating Bitcoin. The timing is notable. Fidelity is buying as Bitcoin consolidates above $78,000 following a $15,000 rally from the $63,300 local bottom. Rather than waiting for a deeper pullback, the firm is deploying capital at current levels, suggesting confidence in higher prices ahead. Story 2. SEC preparing new crypto custody rules for investment firms. The Securities and Exchange Commission is developing new regulations to help investment firms hold cryptocurrency for their clients, according to reports circulating today. The move signals a significant shift in regulatory approach after years of enforcement-first tactics. If implemented, these rules could unlock billions in institutional capital currently sitting on the sidelines due to custody concerns. Investment advisors have long cited regulatory uncertainty around crypto custody as a barrier to offering Bitcoin exposure to clients. Story 1. Bitcoin just took a major step toward quantum resistance without changing a single line of core protocol code. The first post-quantum resistant Bitcoin transaction was successfully mined today, proving the network can defend against future quantum computing threats using existing infrastructure. What makes this achievement remarkable is that it required no soft fork, hard fork, or core protocol upgrade. The transaction demonstrates that Bitcoin's design is flexible enough to incorporate quantum-resistant cryptography at the application layer, allowing users to protect their holdings before quantum computers become a practical threat. That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favourite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.